Right. This is second match. Guma versus Rautpur. Service goes to Rautpur. Second match. Service goes to Rautpur player Suresh. Match start. 0-0. Rautpur versus Guma. Second match. Right. Service goes to Gumas. 0-0. This is second match. Rautpur versus Guma. Guma's players and Rautpur players playing as well. What a shots. 0-0. Rautpur 0. Guma 0. Service goes to Guma. Match is running. What a shot. What a place. This is a magic game. Village name Rautpur, ground name Rautpur ground. Sanjay versus Chitto, second match. Points 0-0. Match is running. Players are good players. Rautpur players and Guma players playing as well. Yes. What a taken. What a shots. This is second match. Rautpur versus Guma. Yes. Very challenging match. Rautpur versus Guma. This afternoon. Right, service goes to Rautpur player Vinod 0-0. Rautpur versus Guma. This is a very interesting match. Second match this afternoon. Gumas versus Rautpur. Two teams points nil 0-0. What a game. Right, 0. Guma versus Rautpur 0-0. Right, 1-0. Guma open point. 1-0. Gumas 1. Rautpur 0. Match is running. What a game. This is interesting game, interesting match. Players are playing well. This afternoon, this is second match. Rautpur versus Guma. Guma's captain Chitto. Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabar. What a match. Weather is good. Ground is good. Match is very interesting. Yes. Good taken. Yes. Rautpur versus Guma's match is continued. Rautpur players Mohan, Suresh, Bannu, Sanjay, Vinod, Uttam. This is Rautpur team players playing well. What a taken. What a match. This afternoon, Kumas versus Rautpur match is continued. What a shot. Good game. Playing as well. This is second match. Rautpur versus Kumas match. 1-0. Kumas point 1. Rautpur 0. Match is running. What a match. Afternoon match. Shots, takens, punches, hittings. What a match. What a game. Yes. Right. Score 0-1. Rautpur 0. Gumma 1. Service goes to Rautpur. Player Mohan. 0-1. Match is running. What a playing. Netters. Hitters. Right, 1-all. Service goes to Raigada. Service goes to Rautpur player Mohan Bhai. Right, 2-1. Service goes to Rautpur player Mohan. 2-1. Rautpur 2 points. Gumma 1 point. Match is running. What a shots. 2-1. This is an impact match. I think challenging match. Perfectly playing. Simple shots, hard shots, technique shots. What a playing. Right, service goes to Gumma. 1-2. 1-2. Service goes to Gumma. One, two. Gummas 1. Rautpur's 2 points. Match is continued. This is afternoon match. Sanjay versus Chitto. What a take and what a shots. Bonu is an impact player. Two teams players are playing as well. Kumas captain Chitto and Rautpur captain Sanjay. Fight is good. What a match. Rautpur versus Gumma. 1-2. Gumma's points 1. Rautpur points 2. Match is running. What a match. What a match. Yes. This is a Daba volleyball from Rautpur ground. Match Rautpur versus Gumma. What a taken. What a shots. Yes. This is magic game, I think. Wow. Two equal. Two equal. Radpur 2 points. Gumma 2 points. 2-2. Gumma plays, our Radpur plays. Very serious play. Yes. Two saman, two equal. A service goes to Radpur. Radpur player Suresh. 2 points. Gummas 2 points. Radpur 2 points. Match is running. This is second match. Radpur versus Gumma. Right, 3-2. Service goes to Radpur. Player Suresh. 3-2. Radpur points 3. Gumma points 2. Match is running. Yes. What a playing.